Hey Grandma, I just want to let you know that, we're going to go ahead and handle that. We have that black envelope, right?
Yes, we do.
Okay, so I think we're going to go and take care of that probably today or tomorrow. I'll come back and let you know how it goes, but maybe walk with us,
We're going to get it right now.
Right now. Come on.
Love you, Grandma Lucy. I got to tell you something. I love you, you know that, right? You know I love you. I just want to tell you, Black Mob, I trust you very much, and I was trying to see if you want to become a part of the Black Mob. And I'm only asking you because I trust you and I love you. So you better not let me down or feel me, okay?
Yeah.
Let me see. You see this ring?
Mm-hmm.
This ring stands for a lot. It stands for perfection. It stands for loyalty. It stands for all that. So, do you want to be a part of the Black Mob?
Yeah, I'm down.
You down?
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring you to the Godmother Blu. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
Every block, like, I got a lot of trust. Like, I know a lot of people from around her. It's like a lot I could really bring to the table if you give me a chance.
Do you know some hoes, some OBT that you can bring to me for the strip club?
Yes, I do.
Because we need them hoes to drop it like it's hot. You will get your cut, baby. You bring me the hoes, I'll bring you the money.
It's a deal.
It's a deal?
Yeah.
All right. You know what, Kirkland? I think you chose very well.
Yes, mother.
She definitely. Let's cheers to the. Let's raise our hands to the Black Mob.
Black Mob.
Now, I want to be honest with you. You might not know this, but you're family now. Yeah? I have a twin sister called Obi. She was my worst enemy. That's why I had King do some damage to her. She should be dead. But something's going on that's not right. I was checking the bank accounts, the Swiss bank accounts, the overseas UK bank accounts.
Yes.
And guess what?
What's going on, Auntie?
Her account is still active.
Huh?
Girl!
We gotta do something about this.
Her account is still active, and the only two people that knows the PIN and the codes is me and my twin sister Obi. So I have a suspicion in my spirit that she's not dead. I'm jet lag. I'm so jet lagged from that flight from Africa. If Blu ever know that Obi, is still alive, she would have a nervous breakdown. I don't understand why my father chose Blu over me. I'm the firstborn. The black envelope is my birthright as the firstborn. But he decided to give this bitch with a itch. The Black Mob. Where she has taken advantage, exploited me. I'm going to get her one way or another. I am going to contact 2 of her key people, because I know everything. Because I have insiders on all locations. I'm going to contact her nephew's woman and her daughter, husband Jay. I'm going to hold a meeting with them later on tonight. And I'm going to tell them everything, even though it's not true. Hey, time to work my magic. I'm going to break up the black mob. I'm going to break everything up, dismantle everything. I have my ancestors working for me. Blue, I'm going to take vengeance for what you allow my nephew King to do to me. You thought you finished the job. No. I am going to finish the job. I do not think she's dead.
Auntie, we gotta check this out ASAP and make sure the black mob is on it. Because you know what happened last time. We don't want problems. So you know what happened last time. So we're gonna get on it. Should I call King?
I think what I need you to do is check the other teams. We need to check our location in Ghana, Nigeria, and Jamaica. I think you need to suss out for them to start watching everybody that's a part of the black mob, because I have a feeling.
Yes.
That she is going behind closed doors and she has certain people from our black mob working for her.
We gotta
what are we gonna do?
We gotta get this sorted out right now.
Yes.
We gotta get this sorted out right now, Auntie. I'm on it right now. I'm gonna go ahead, call up the other teams, go ahead, check everything out.
I am gonna be fucking up a lot of people. I said I'm going to be slitting people's throats. I'm going to be taking out anybody that has betrayed us. You know we're headquarters.
And the mob cannot go for this. I will go ahead and call King and I'll get started on it right now ASAP. I'm gonna go ahead and check up on the other teams and make sure nobody's betraying us, Auntie. I got it, Auntie.
I think she's fucking up our connection. What do you think?
Well, you know, I just thought it important that me and you have a one-to-one. Yeah, so we're going to go on a dinner date. Yeah?
Yeah.
Because I need to be precise in how I'm going to execute bringing down my twin sister. Let me tell you something. That bitch never liked me, yo. She never liked me. She's jealous because when my father died, when our father died, he gave me the black envelope, to run them up. She tried everything to destroy me. She even plotted to set me up to get killed. Can you believe that? That's bold? That's evil and wicked.
Yes.
But watch me and our bomber clouds. Trust me, watch me and our bomber clouds. I got this. Let's go eat. Anyway, I am starving. I don't know about you. So let's go and eat.
I had a nightmare about Ethiopia. I think she's still alive.
What are we gonna do about this, King?
I don't know.
But I'm gonna be real with you. Mama already told me what happened, and that's why I came to you.
For real?
Yes. So what are we gonna do about this, King? You already know what you had to handle last time. So what are we gonna do this time? And I'm being serious because you know the black mob can't have any leaks, nothing. We're a black mob for a reason. We're the top for a reason. If we wasn't at the top, you feel me, there'll be no point in this. So what are we gonna do? And this is serious.
You're right. I gotta get back in touch with you.
You just let me know. I ride with you, you ride with me. You know it's ride or die.
Alright,
Let's ride, let's handle this, and let's get back to mama.
Alright, for sure.
But make me a new reason now. Right? Time gold on the table. Me no know what happened when you conceived with me and my twin sister Obi. Will look like me because we're identical. But let me tell you something. Me sorry. But she's wicked and evil. She set me up to go to prison for 5 years. Would take me away from King when he was small and the rest of my children them. She plotted and schemed with other people inside the black mob to take me out. A good thing me have sense. I can't do this no more. And me feel say the bitch still alive. Because 45 million of the mob money what you work hard for and left for me. It's gone missing. And as she not dead. Poor thing, when King was young, me initiate him to stab up her cloth wall. Excuse me expression, mommy. Me not being disrespectful to you. Yeah, because you know say you're a godly woman. But that bitch there, coming like Cain and Abel right you know? Me I try and live a peaceful, quiet life, you know. Me not bother nobody. But let me tell you something. You see if she's alive? Me not care what juju man, obia man, whatever spell practitioner coming around get me hand bloody. Because where you are, me know say you with the Lord. But when that bitch there I go, I straight to hell. I see a tell the wife that and him waiting on her. That me I tell you without.
There's $45 million fucking missing and I'm pissed. So, therefore, you are gonna help me, you're gonna do what I say, and you're just gonna fucking sit there like you always do, okay? So, any ideas, you guys? Open your fucking mouth. Hello? I wanna hear something. Come on, 45 million. Come on, I wanna fucking hear something.
Calm down.
Ain't this your job?
I said yeah.
Well, maybe if you were doing your job, I wouldn't have to do my job and your job. So, go ahead.
Well, first off, don't get on me and King. We're already handling it right now. So you don't need to be so upset. We're handling it as we speak. Mama Blue already told us.
How come I'm the only person actually in this room that's upset? But go on.
I'm upset. I'm mad, but we gotta handle it in different type of ways. You know what I'm saying? You don't always gotta be loud. You gotta handle it in different type of ways. So that's the way we're handling it. You feel me? So me and King are about to go right now and handle some business.
$45 million on the line, and you guys are still talking. I wanted to hear something,
Let's go.
but
King.
now I just want to see something.
Let's go, King.
Shit. But what you think about it?
I'm angry. I'm very mad.
I don't know about Rachel either though too.
Yeah, cause Rachel, you know what I think? I think there's a leak in the black mob. That's what it feels like, cause it's like too much information just going around. I think too much things. So you can't trust nobody at this point.
You see, I can't talk too much.
45 million.
Talk too much. 45 million.
45 million. We gotta make this up. We gotta do right. We're gonna just do our job. For now, play it quiet, play it smooth. Don't say nothing, and let's handle the business.
We need some intel.
Let's ride.
I don't like to say too much for real, but your female, you know, she always has something to say. And for some reason, she didn't have nothing to say. She just gave a little smirk on her face. And Jay too. I saw the look that they gave each other, and it was.
My girlfriend, I'm gonna look into it.
But
I know Jay. I feel you on Jay, but my girlfriend, it can't be my girlfriend.
I don't know.
we're gonna have to look into this.
It feels weird. You don't know who to trust at that table. Right now, we only got us two, not, you know.
And that's real. Let's go find this out. Keep quiet. Let's go handle the business that Mama told us to handle. And let's go keep our mouth shut. Keep quiet.
Hello. Hi. My name is Obi. You may not know or recognize the voice because I'm supposed to be dead. Listen, Casey. I am Blu's twin sister that they tried to unalive many years ago when King was small. She set up the poor little boy to initiate him to kill me. But I survived. I've been hiding out in Africa. Now I'm back. And I'm going to take what's rightly mine. But more importantly, the reason why I'm calling you, to be quite honest, because I kind of feel sorry for you. You know her nephew, Kirkland, your boyfriend, which claims that he loves you. Because I know everything. I have insiders on all location. He has been cheating on you. He has been taking you for a motherfucking ride. I said, ride the donkey, ride the pony. Casey, I don't need to lie because I don't know you from Adam. I know of you. But I know you're a sweetheart. You're playing for the wrong team. Blu is very vicious and cunning. She uses people. And the same goes for her nephew, Kirkland. He has several women. How do you know that it's true? I'm going to tell you. Because I'm on the motherfucking phone with you. That's why. I need to meet up with you tonight. Don't want to do it during the day. Tonight. If you don't, you might end up dead. Okay, later. When I finish with all my lies and scheming, Kuya, let me call Jay. I'm fucking loving this. You wanna fuck with Obi? The phone is ringing. Hello? This is Jay, right? You may not know me, my son. I am Obi. Obi. The twin of that motherfucking bitch, Blu. You thought I was dead. Oh, please. I've resurrected like how Christ has resurrected. I've been living in Africa. I just came back to take what's rightly mine, which is the Black Mob. Listen, I got some critical information that's going to serve you well. You see Blu, that godmother, that so-called godmother, that has replaced me, when I was running the mob while her ass was fucking locked up at blood clot third county jail. And then when she come out, she get the black envelope. No, it's not going this way. Listen, newsflash. You see your so-called mother-in-law, Blu, and your whore of a wife. I don't mean to be brutal, but I gotta tell you the truth. Your wife is fucking out with all these elite men that her mother is bringing to her. And they're extorting money from these men. Your wife, Rachel, is not being faithful to you. They are playing you, They are playing you from the north, south, east, and west. Listen. Don't utter a word of this conversation. I don't want them to know that I'm alive. Meet with me. Because they're playing you and they're playing Casey. I need both of you I told her already. I gave her the location. You better put this in your GPS immediately. 2616 Tome Palupa, Coe, Florida 34761. Put it in your GPS. I need you to meet me about 9 o'clock. I'm in a BMW. It will be lit up inside. I'm glad both of you have enough sense to come and meet me today. Let me tell you something. Huh? I'm Obi, Blu twin sister. I'm the good one, she's the bad one. But everybody made me out to be the bad motherfucker. I'm not. I'm the good one. Huh? Both of you are getting played. Both of you are getting played. So what are you going to do about it?
What can you tell me?
I want to know what you're going to do. Are you coming over to Obi's side? Or are you going to continue to get played by Blu?
We're gonna get her for that.
You need to. And let me tell you something. You see her daughter, huh? Rachel, huh? And you see her nephew, Kirkland. Have been seeing other people behind your back, huh? Extorting people for money and playing you both dirty. Now, I am willing, because I'm a good person, I am willing right now to pay both of you triple. How you feel about that?
That sounds good.
I've been seeing the patterns. I'm ready to break free.
I know you've been seeing the warning red flags. I know you have. Both of you don't deserve it. You are good people. You need to be on the good winning team. Because believe me, I got connections, all our locations and connection. I have infiltrated, huh? And I have people that she thinks that's down with her, that is down with me. Yeah? She thinks I'm dead. She thinks I'm dead, but don't say anything. Don't say anything. To be quite honest, the only fuck up that I got right now is that I had a Swiss bank account I've been pulling lately. So I'm just praying that she doesn't suss that out. Yeah? So I'm going to start to pay both of you 10,000. I didn't say 5. I didn't say 7. I didn't say 8. 10,000 a month. How does that sound?
That's triple.
Let's
run it.
So you two better be close. But you got to be very careful. Because that bitch is very smart. Huh? To be quite honest, I am the one that should have gotten the fucking black envelope. I am really the black mob godmother. But my father decided to give her. So what can I do? But she's playing both of you. So I want you to keep your eyes open, your ears open. Okay? And work for me.
I'm with you.
You with me? You with me?
Yes.
All right.
I'm glad I caught you real quick. Obi's stepping with everything she's stepping with. I don't really know how to take it. We're crossing Blu in this house. And at this point, I'm just collecting information. Everything I got on my side and everything you got on your side, I'm just trying to stay quiet. But I'm not trying to bring too much back too quick. Because I feel like at this point, we're fucked no matter how things play out.
I know, I've been getting a feeling like, it's like, I don't know if she like for real, legit, like, but it's like I gotta know like her next move. Cause I don't know how this really gonna play off. Like, I don't really trust it either for real. Like, I gotta know her next move on her though.
I've been down Blu so long, it's a big shift, but things gotta change. But I just say keep collecting the information and stay safe over everything. Don't tell nobody nothing.
Yes. We gotta play smart about it. We do.
I know, even aside from the problems we got with this, there's all the outside problems too. Because like you got what you got with Kirtland, I got a racial like Deti Sketo Ghetto, Lego beast, like crosses on my pit now. There's a lot moving, so it's like it's got a lot of my attention. And that's why I'm trying to play smart and at least talk to you a little bit along the way, because I get blinded by that. I just keep myself cool. And I know you got Kirtland, you gotta keep yourself big up and all that,
Yeah, I do. I do gotta watch out for that part too. I really live them though, like for real. So like, I gotta like make sure I actually know what I'm doing.
Come in, bro.
Hey, Ken, let's actually talk right there, because I'm handling something right now.
You sure?
Pause it. Is it important?
It's real big, man, bro.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Hey, you won't take off my mask for no reason, Con. I ain't gonna lie. It's serious.
Damn, cuz what happened? I know, I'm already knowing, like,
I don't know, bro. It's just something off, man. I go with my gut. I'm off.
knowing good. So
It's something hard for you, but it's your old girl around.
We was actually supposed to go out literally today.
I ain't gonna lie. I need you to sit face to face with me.
Damn.
It's real.
It's real. It's that.
It's real.
What's going on now, King? You already know. Last time we just spoke yesterday. Literally yesterday we just spoke. So what's going on?
You know, I want best for you and our business, and I'm supposed to run this shit. Me,
Black Mob, I
I'm
understand.
supposed to run this.
You my brother, I
Understand
understand.
me? But I'll try to take you with me.
I understand.
But in order you do shit like that, you gotta take out people you love and shit. And I feel like shit is iffy with people that we surround ourselves with right now.
What are you trying to say?
Is your girl here?
I was supposed to take her out later. I was planning on taking her out later anyways. But what's going on? You still stay.
I just need you to handle that. You know what I'm talking about. We ain't done. I won't ask you for nothing, but just that one little thing, cause something ain't right.
Just cause we're at the top, we're Black Mob, and nobody can fuck with us, I'm gonna do it. Just for the crew. You know you're my brother.
Alright, I'm gonna get it done.
I got you.
Alright, go.
King. You have my best interest, King.
Kirkland ain't doing his job right, bro. He don't got shit in his fridge. Can't put too much shit.
You guys know I finished my research alone per usual, but we're not going to get into that right now. But I did find out where that $45 million is coming from, and it's coming from Obi's account, which means that she is still alive. I'm not sure how or why, but she's still alive. So I need you to complete that mission. Yeah?
I got you.
Get the fucking job done and get it done right. I don't even want to hear what you have to say.
I want to know what Blue knows.
Okay, well, I know what Blue knows, and that's the fucking $45 million is coming from Obi's account.
I ain't gonna lie, I thought I killed her, but shit,
Well, she's still alive, so.
if I can do it once, then I can do it again.
Well, let's make sure she's dead this time.
They're gonna say she back from the dead.
Okay, well,
Okay,
no
okay.
zombies around here.
No
Kill the
mistakes.
bitch. No mistakes. Keep it clean. I don't want it messy. I want a closed casket. Okay, just nice and clean. Knife around the neck. No gun.
Don't tell me how to get shit done. I'm gonna do that though.
Okay, well then it would have been done. But go ahead.
Anything you need, King, I want you to know I stand Black Mob.
Let's take a drink.
All right, Black Mob.
Word is one. But I'll do my best with Black Mob, but what are y'all drinking?
Like good shit. Shit you ain't ever had before. Trust me when I say that.
You good, bro?
You okay? Maybe you actually did it right this time. You know that?
Yeah. We need to go handle Kirkland too.
I think he's dead.
Some, actually show you something. All right, I love you. All right, bye. Hey, I'll tell you something and show you something. So you know Black Mob, right?
Yeah.
So they told me to take you out, but I just couldn't come to myself. They told me that you was undercover for Obi and you was going behind our back. They found out that you and Jay were working for Obi and they killed him. And I don't want you to be next. You know I love you, right?
Yeah.
I don't want you to be next, so I gotta show you something. I don't even know how to feel about this. I'm gonna be real. But we gotta go with it. I could not come to the conclusion to kill you. So I joined you guys' side. But I cannot have you next, so we gotta run away. We gotta go. Let's run away from the Black Mob. Let's go. I'm having a talk with King tonight. King told me to come over and we was gonna discuss what happened. Cause he told me that he took Jay out and I was out on a business trip. He took Jay out when I was gone and he called me and he told me he wanna have a meeting about it. Pack your things. I'm gonna meet you downtown tomorrow. Pack your things. Make sure you're ready. Make sure you're set. Do not call, text nobody. Not the Black Mob. Not Mama Blue. Not even Obi. Don't call nobody. Okay, until I meet you at that spot downtown. Okay?
Okay.
I love you.
Let me call Africa. I gotta call Nigeria. Because I had a dream last night. That my sister is trying to kill me through Obia, through black magic. Let me call Africa. Hello? What? Blue. How are you guys doing? Do you have everything in control there? Because I gotta have a deep conversation with you. Because listen, Obi is not dead. I found this out because she was withdrawing money from her old bank account. She took out 45 million of the mob money. So we gotta be on the alert. Yeah, I'm on it. Yeah, and guess what? You better check everybody that is in your location that's working for us. Because Obi has, listen, she has wormed her way in. So some of them that you think is for you, ain't for you. They're planning a hostile takeover of the mob. Yeah, but listen, on a real note, we need for you to go to one of your best juju man in Nigeria. Me want her to take out by heart attack. She must dead. Imagine I'm going through all of this again with that bitch. She never liked me from small, you know, she never liked me. She's just a jealous, envious bitch. Go to the best juju. Spare no cost. I'll pay them good. Me want her for dead, keel over. Me reversing the order. Me I reverse it in a Jesus name. Blood sacrifice. Me no care who you have to sacrifice for do this for the bitch for drop dead. Right. Because I got a lot of issues going on over here. Yeah, because you know what? Me did that for make me son king. Take out for me son-in-law. Yes! Because him go meet Obi the other night, him and KC. She's going to be next. My nephew Kirkland supposed to do it. Me don't know what he's waiting for. Them don't tell me nothing. They didn't tell me nothing. Put track upon them mobile phone and track them. That's how me know. If we listen to the conversation. But we got rid of Jay. King sorted that. But we must watch who? Kirkland, my nephew. Are you serious? What you saying? Somebody tell you say Kirkland, I work for the feds in Palm Wire. Jesus Christ. No, let me tell you good. What you said? Kirkland, my nephew, that's up and down with me, my son, and my daughter, that is in the top league, in the mob, is working for the feds? He's wearing a wire? Boy, may I have King take him out, you know, and that is not going to be easy for King. But I have an idea. Because you see, me not get my hands dirty no more like me used to. I got an idea. No worry. Me I take out my nephew today. Alright. I'm going to check in with Ghana. Can you check in with Ghana for me? Alright. Thank you. Bye.
Man, I gotta get out of here. I need to call protection services. I'm in serious danger. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta hurry up and make that call. Like, I need to hurry up. Like, shit, what did I get myself into? I don't know what's about to happen, what's about to go down. I just need to hurry up and get out of here. I don't want to end up in a bad situation for real. I gotta go. It's too much for me to go by, handle. It's too much. I gotta go. I need to hurry up, call witness protection, get to a safer place. I can't trust being here no more. I gotta go. Let me call protection services because I feel like they gonna fuck me up. Like, let me just go ahead and get this going. Let me get this all going. Okay. Can I speak to somebody in protective services? Okay. Okay. Hi, yes, I need help. I'm really in danger. Like, I'm in something real bad right now. I need protection from the Black Mob. I was told by my boyfriend to go downtown. Did my boyfriend call you guys telling you about how I needed protection? Okay. Thank you. That's good. I'm on my way now. Thank you.
What up, King? How you been? Heard the shit that happened with Jay. Heard the shit that happened with Jay.
Talking about that, cause we talking about you. Why you didn't get what I told you to get done?
What you? Oh, you mean my girl? I got that done, King. What are you talking about?
No, you didn't.
King.
Don't lie to me like that, cuz.
Where's the proof at? You know I would never do like that.
Where's the body at? Where's she at?
I did what you told me to do. She's in the lake somewhere. Don't worry about it.
You sure, Kirtland?
I'm positive, King.
You sure?
Water like you, bro. You know, nigga.
Cuz.
Like,
I don't know, bro. I just having trust issues sometimes. You feel me?
The bitch went outside a bit.
I know.
It did look gas. Hold on.
You know,
Heard about that new shit you dropped too. Hold on.
I really heard that you ain't kill your girl. I heard you had a wire on the whole time. I saw the camera. You straight?
What that mean?
Just saying.
Oh shit.
You straight.
Richard. Wait till I tell you what's going on. You're not going to believe it.
I probably already know.
You don't know. Number one, Kirkland is no longer with us. We did have to take out him Bumbleclad because that boy there was wearing a wire. Okay.
What? Wow.
I got something else to tell you. You're not going to be happy about it. Now, Kirkland, King took care of that with his friend. Yeah?
Okay.
But the girl.
The one with the funny looking? Yeah. Yeah, her.
Kirkland didn't take her out. He put her and sent her in a protection witness program. That's what he done. But don't worry about it because I got people that works in that same program and they've already feeding her to the fucking crocodiles.
Good. That's what I was waiting for that. Because what?
I am telling you now, the bigger problem is, I know you said something to me about the IPS server. You saw something with Quicksilver.
Something funny. Yes, something funny, shady.
Explain.
Well, I was doing my research and I was trying to backtrack. I used IMB. I used IMB location services to track down their IP address. And when I found the address, it was connected to OB and the $45 million that was missing.
So you mean to say Quicksilver has been conspiring and working undercover for Obi and thieving me Bumbleclad money?
That's what I'm saying, yes.
No worry about it.
I mean, what do you want to do about it?
She's on her way here, even though she got a headache. She's on her way here. So we're gonna act normal.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you and her have a meeting by yourself.
Okay, boss.
And you can just ask her where the money is. I want her to slip up.
Yeah, I agree.
But she got a headache. But before you start anything, be nice. Be nice. You know what that means.
I'll let her hang herself if you know what that means.
Exactly. Chapter. I may have a headache. Oh, I don't know where this headache come from.
Hey, how are you?
I have such a bad headache. Anybody get any Tylenol?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and grab you some.
Oh,
I was
thank
warned that
you.
you had a headache.
Yeah, it's
gosh.
really, really bad. I hate it.
How was the drive over here?
Ooh, it was long. But
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
Here you go. I'll
Thank you so much.
Some fresh capsules here. I think you just need one.
Yeah, I just need.
I think it'll get
500. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that'll do the job.
Yeah, it'll do the job.
Have a seat.
Alright, you want me to sit here or over there?
You can go ahead and sit right here. Let me go ahead and I got you this water.
Alrighty.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you so much.
So, how's everything been going with everyone? How's everything
Everything's been going good.
Yeah. So, thank you for coming over here. Hope your headache fades away.
Thank you.
No problem. So, I want to check in because I have some suspicions about the $45 million, but I want you to tell me your suspicions because I'm in the middle of tracing it or have traced it. That's for me to know you to find out here sooner than you think. So I just kind of want to know your headspace where you're at on all that money because the mob is missing the money and obviously it doesn't just affect me, it's affecting everybody else like a domino effect.
Yes.
So I just kind of want to get a clearer view on where you're at with that.
Let me check on this. Hold on, put my glasses on. Let me check on this because, what account are you still seeing active?
OB's account, and you're tied to it as well?
It's still active?
I mean, did you not just hear what I said?
Yeah, I heard you, but it's supposed to be, it's not supposed to be active still.
So
That account was closed.
what I'm telling you is that you're feeding me a whole bunch of bullshit. You're feeding Blu a whole bunch of bullshit. You're feeding everybody a whole bunch of bullshit and lies. We all know that you know where the money's at.
Well, I thought that account was closed. Let me check into it.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
You're acting kind of weird.
I'm okay. I just feel a little dizzy.
Are you sure
Right
you're
now.
sweating? Are you sure you're
Yeah, I'm
okay?
feeling a little bit dizzy. Let me take these glasses off. Maybe I should drink some more water. I don't know what's going on.
Well, I want to tell you what's going on. I don't
Yes.
think anything. I know everything.
Yes.
And the clock is striking now.
What clock?
You'll see soon.
Okay, what are you talking about? I'm still here looking to see what's going on. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm not feeling too good right now. I think I fucked up. I really, really fucked up.
Well,
Oh my
I think
God.
you're gonna. I actually know you're gonna figure out how bad you fucked
Yeah, I
up.
feel like I'm about to pass out. I don't
Yeah,
know
you
what's
probably won't
going
live
on.
to tell the story.
Oh my goodness.
And that's on the Black Mob.
What's going on? I don't know what's happening. I don't know.
A lot's
Oh
happening.
my God. Did you put something in my water? I don't know. I just.
You know, you
Doesn't
shouldn't
feel
eat
too
or drink
good.
from everybody. You know that, just like
Oh
you
my
shouldn't take
goodness.
from everybody too.
Ghana, boss man, you're doing such a good job. You're doing such a good job. What's going on? You got the whole team on my side? Love you. I said Obi is loving you now. Hey, if I tell you that I love you one more time, we got a problem. What kind of problem do we have now? You're bursting my bubbles. What's going on? KC and Jay and Kirkland did? Jesus Christ. Blue find out. She knows I'm alive. Shit. That means they're coming for me. They're coming for me now. Oh God, my heart can't take this. My heart cannot take this news here tonight. Blue knows everything. What? Nigeria location. As informer. Has informed Blue. Of all the people that I had on my side. Oh shit. This is not good. I'm going to be chopping up everybody. This is not good. This is not good news. My heart. You know I have a heart condition from I got stabbed up how many years ago. I'm on medication. My heart is paining me. I can't do this. I can't even stay on the phone. My heart. My chest is tightening up. Oh, hey. I see demons. I see the death angel coming for me. Hey. Blue must have returned to sender, return the order. Oh, Jesus Christ. My heart. I can't stay on the phone. Hello? Yes, this is Blue. How can I help you? The morgue? My sister. Obi, what happened? What happened? I hope she's okay. She had a heart attack. You lie. Oh my God, my twin sister. Oh. Yes, I have somebody that can pick up the body. Yes. I will send him to you in the hour. In the hour. His name is Black Cobra. Uh-huh. Yes. I will sign off the death certificate tomorrow. I need a fucking drink. I can't believe my sister is gone. Oh my God. My twin. Can't believe it. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. I'll send Black Cobra. He'll pick up her body. May her soul rest in peace. All right, thank you. Ding dong, the wicked witch is dead. Let me call Black Cobra. Hello, darling. This is Blue. Black Cobra. I have something for you to do. I always can depend on you. Listen. My twin sister. You know what she done to me a couple of years ago, and we thought that she was dead. She wasn't. The bitch was still alive. But listen, I paid somebody good juju money. The bitch had a heart attack just the way I wanted it. Yeah, because I didn't want my hands dirty. Anyway, listen. The morgue called me and I told him that I'm sending you there. You need to expedite, drop everything that you're doing and get to the morgue and pick up her body. Yeah? But this is what I want you to do for me. I thought about feeding it to the alligators, but I says, nah. I gotta do one better than that, yeah? Me want you. Listen good now, you know, come here, I gotta pay you triple. Me want if you collect the body, yeah? And me want you to pour acid up that bitch. Acid up, she be frazzle. You understand? Right. Put her in the back of a car. Matter of fact, put her in our car, our BMW car. In the back. And I said, light that bitch on fire. Because me want the job done well. Me want make sure she can't resurrect from the dead. Me want make sure she frizzle, burn up, na blood clot. Don't let me down, you know. Don't let me down. Make sure. Yeah, cause me I expedite our trip to hell. Make she go to hell. Make she go to Satan. Burn up. You understand? Alright. Love you. You can come for your check later, man. Me will talk to you later. Or you want me just to send you the check through the post? Or you want me to zell you? Zell you? Me I'll go zell you right now, a bomber cloud. Love you. Alright, Black Cobra. Alright. God bless. When you dig a ditch, bitch, dig too. You hear me? I saw you feed to them. Cause let me tell you something. That was my blood twin sister. That was evil to me. My own flesh and blood. You can't trust a bomber clot. Anyway, Black Mob to the fucking world right, you know. Me have a drink. Y'all gonna burn up. And you know, him better send me a screenshot. Alright. Anyway, me'll see you on Channel 13 News. One.
Trey got shit. Like, come on, you ready, Trey? I'm not ready.
3, 2,
Really? I'm out. Alright, let's start. You know she get pissed.
I'll restart this. Don't laugh.
You know I don't put my mask on for no reason. Hold on, okay, come on, I started right. We don't got shit in his fridge. Can't put too much.
okay? Because I want to let you guys know I finished my research alone, per usual, but we're not going to get into that right now. But I did find out where that 45 million is coming from, and it's coming from Obi's account, which means that she is still alive. I'm not sure how or why, but she's still alive. So I need you to complete that mission. Yeah?
I got you.
Get the fucking job done and get it done right. I don't even want to hear what you have to say.
I want to know what Blue knows.
Okay, well, I know what Blue knows, and that's the fucking $45 million is coming from Obi's.
In the top league in the mob is working for the feds. He's wearing a wire. Boy, never have King take him out, and that is not going to be easy for King.
Anything you need, King, I want you to know I stand Black Mob.
Let's take a drink.
All right, Black Mob.
Word is one.
You gonna shake hands? Stop looking, bro. Stop looking in my eyes. Serious. Stop looking in my eyes, though, please. Please, not too much.
Hey, Mom, you okay? I just want to let you know that, we got that black envelope.
Watch me now, Bubba. I got this.